Hi guys, this is Christoph from The Kept Promise. In this last part I want to show you the Booklet Factory. It's very simple, you can reach it through the welcome window or through window or show Booklet Factory. The Booklet Factory basically just processes multiple booklets at once. This is a big drop area where you can place all of your booklets or your PDFs that you want to be booklets. This is how you set the preset that should be used to any booklet that's dropped in. So I dropped two of them in here. You can either choose to print the booklet directly or you can export them. Exporting is very helpful if you want to print them either on a professional printer, a copy shop, or at work. So I export these to the desktop. You can see as they're processed, they turn green and they allow you to view the document in the Finder. If you click this, you can see them in the Finder here. You can also switch the preset, which instantly sets them back, or you just set them back by hand. So now you can process them again. Process them again. Finally, there's a clean all finished, meaning the green ones will be removed. So this one I want to do again, but this time as a mini booklet. So I do the same, I export, and I choose actually a new folder just for my mini booklets. The file names are automatically created. This is important because if you want to process a lot of files, you want them instantly to have a name and not just type in a name for each one of them. You can do each one of them, of course, if you open them really and create booklet. But the Booklet Factory is really for a quick process. It could be 100 of booklets at the same time if you want to. This, by the way, is necessary in some professions. We notice that people are organized a lot, like churches. This is necessary. Or if you are actually in a concert hall, imagine all the different note sheets that you see in front of you. The sheet music is normally single pages, but Create Booklets has a specific preset which puts the pages side by side and glues them together. So if you have a partiture for many people, they're all different. You can, with just one drop, convert them all into your booklet, actually sheet music. That's it already. The Booklet Factory is a very simple tool. It's a lot of the technology is inside and not on the outside, luckily. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.